I'm Georgie Holbrook, here to share with you my new book, Score Yourself. It's an evaluation that I've done with over 2,000 people and now placed it in book form, how to get visual answers in 3 simple steps. Now, out of 2,000 people, this is what I discovered, is that 7 health issues 2,000 people had in common. Out of 2,000 people, 80% had high stress levels or had major trauma in their lives that now was in their body accumulated and didn't understand how to release it. And out of 27 items that I picked out that were both emotional and physical, that I asked people in this evaluation, many of them had 20 or more. So this book is about prevention. This book is about moving you out of trial and error remedies. So I specialize in how our emotions manifest in a physical form as a language, our soul's language, trying to redirect our lives and help us understand this sacred self that we walk around in. We haven't been taught that. We didn't come into this world with an owner's manual. So here we have a chance of taking this evaluation, getting our own answers, and knowing that I'm available anywhere along the line to answer your questions and move you through any situation that you're working on. I've helped hundreds of people heal. My website's georgieholbrook.com. And I'm a mentor for people, and I'm also a spiritual director for people, giving them, so this isn't about religion, giving them the opportunity to tune into themselves, watch themselves heal, get the answers they're longing for, moving out of trial and error remedies that just leave us frustrated, living our passion and not our pain. You'll see I have 5 books. You can download free chapters of all of them on my website. I also have some podcast interviews that I've done. But I encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube, buy my books, share them with others as gifts, help people turn their lives around wherever they're located. I have shared both nationally and internationally with folks. And I'm always looking for speaking engagements on Zoom where I can share my wisdom with people, answer questions. I love answering questions where I can help share my wisdom with other people and help them find answers. So today, I just encourage you to get this book. You can go it on your own, but this book will transform lives like it's already transformed over 2,000 lives. It's been my honor to work with so many people, and now I want to share it with you through this book. Thank you, and thank you for sharing it. I'm Georgie Holbrook, sending you blessings.